Are you looking for ways to lose weight fast? When people go back to their regular eating practices, they may restore some or all of the weight they lost. The lack of support from Slim, Quick, which might accompany other weight loss plans, may also add to this weight regain. Likewise, for many individuals, the expense of the Slim, Quick shakes and snacks can be expensive, especially in the long term. Slimfast focuses on calorie constraint without highlighting the value of taking in a range of nutrient-rich foods. This does not teach individuals how to form healthy eating routines. Rather, the Slimfast strategy relies mostly on greatly processed foods. One indicates that individuals who consume a diverse diet are most likely to have weight problems. This consists of a square meal replacement diet and a clinically supervised strategy. These are available in health stores and supermarkets. People can make these in the house using protein powders, yogurts, seeds, nuts, fruits, veggies, and other ingredients. When buying protein and meal replacement shakes, it is essential to purchase from a reliable brand name. Another point to think about is that studies on Slim, Quick have normally included participants with obese or weight problems. For that reason, it is hard to know if people of a moderate weight would reduce weight while following the Slimfast plan. The pledge the Slimfast these days is different than you might keep in mind. Gone are the days of shakes alone. The initial plan promises you can drop pounds with delicious treats, meal replacements, and one sensible meal a day. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click the link in description for our recommendations.